Today, we're making fudgy chocolate brownies in our Smart Oven air fryer. Start by setting your rack to the bottom position and turn the function dial to bake. You can adjust temperature and time with the dials on the front of the oven. Now let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your baking paper large enough to reach the edges of the baking tray, as this will allow for adequate heat circulation. What I love about baking in the Smart Oven air fryer is that you really can't mess up your brownie because of the Element IQ system's precise heat and control. Position the tin in the middle of the oven. Selecting the bake function allows you to choose between convection or super convection, or neither, and the temperature will just adjust automatically to suit. When we're looking for a crispier food result, we'll use super convection, but for this recipe, we'll use convection for beautiful fudgy results. So quick and easy. A quick skewer test, and if it comes out slightly gooey, it's perfect. Fudgy brownies. What a great weekend treat to share, or maybe just keep them to yourself.